How to fix Roblox crash on mobile. So one of the ways to fix that problem is by closing any other apps that you're currently using. So as you can see right here, I have many windows appearing in front of me. Just go ahead and close any other apps, and that should fix that problem. If it didn't, what you're gonna do, you gotta just go ahead to the Roblox app, hold the app, and what you're gonna do, you gotta just delete the app or uninstall the app and just continue to delete the Roblox, and that will force Roblox to clear some storage, unnecessary storage. Hence, you'll be able to fix that problem. But if it didn't, what you gotta do, you gotta just go back to your screen, go ahead to your settings. In the settings, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll a little bit down till you find the general. Just go ahead to the general, scroll a little bit down into transfer or reset iPhone. So I'm gonna just click on it, and from here I'm gonna just go ahead into reset, and I'm gonna reset all settings. And from there, you gotta confirm by adding your passcode on iPhone or iCloud, and basically it will restart your iPhone into the default settings, and this problem of Roblox crashing should be fixed by then. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.